is Roger. I'm the sales manager with High-End Impact Windows and Doors. And today we're with Dan.
Yep.
And Dan contracted with us recently. Mm-hmm. And we're going to ask Dan some questions about his experiences with High-End Impact Windows. And so Dan, how long have you been in Florida?
I just retired and relocated down here about 3 years ago.
Oh, excellent.
Yeah.
And what was the reason for you to get Impact Windows and Doors for your home?
Well, I mean, it's kind of funny that everybody talks about the hurricanes down here, and I want to be in one. And a one or a two. I can't start out with a 4 or a 5, but to me it was a 1 or a 2. But when we would get the rainstorms down here, and you guys get a lot different rain than where I came from in Wisconsin. And there's high winds down here that some of the windows would howl. And so the wind was coming through, and I was like, well, if I stay down here for a hurricane number 1 or a 2, I think that would freak me out, so I better get some new windows. So that was really the reason why I was trying to, get myself ready so that when everybody else is leaving, I'm going to fly in and I'll be ready for the hurricane then, because I'll know I got good windows. Because the current place this place did have hurricane windows, but they're 25 years old.
Tell me the process that you went through to find a company you felt comfortable with.
Well, it was all online. I mean, it really was kind of going out there, doing the research on, doing a little Google search, as they say, and, trying to come up and read the reviews and, make a few phone calls. A lot of people never got back to me. So it was kind of one of those deals where you can do something online, submit your request, somebody get back to you, and then they don't, and it's just like, well, that's kind of a telltale sign right there. But contacting your company, it was amazing. It was just everybody was right on time and returned phone calls and emails and things like that. So that it made the decision a lot easier.
And tell us about your experience with the entire process that you went through with us.
Well, I think the first thing I did was I stopped down at your showroom.
Yes.
And walked through and met with some people, and again, everybody was real friendly and seemed knowledgeable by looking through the product, and it was kind of like this is kind of a lower end solution. Here's an upper end solution or whatever, and we really figured out what I was looking for, and then it was just a matter of getting somebody to come out here and to do the pricing. And I was amazed because I didn't know that every single window would have to be measured, and the detail on that. And then somebody else had to come back and reconfirm that. And so I mean, it was good to see. It was good that there was a lot of people involved, and and on the emails, I don't know, there could be say 6 people on the emails, and it was just like, wow, everybody's always in the loop here. Everybody's always on board. I don't know. They could have been fake names for all I know, but it sure gave me the impression that that there was a group of people that were watching out for this, and everybody seemed to have their own purpose for being on the email.
Excellent.
So it gave me a good feeling. Okay.
But we really appreciate your time today.
Yeah.
And thanks very much.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Right. Appreciate it. It's been great.